This is a... Every time the cat does something. Okay, ignoring the cat. Alright, no, I can't ignore the cat. Okay, back to... Why? You know what? Screw this. Just cut to the sound test. The Flip 7 is a very good sounding speaker, and I will definitely say that it is better sounding than the previous generation, the JBL Flip 6. Although, this is still a really good speaker to have. I've got the custom version, but yeah. The Flip 7 is very good speaker, and the Charge 4, which is probably by far JBL's #1 best seller, these are on par with each other. This definitely gets louder and has more clarity because of the tweeter compared to this, which is all in a single woofer. But yeah, I recommend this. I actually recommend that you get one of these. These are insane. I love it. I love it a lot. I've got both the Flip 7 and the Flip 6 here. Anyway, here's a volume comparison between the two, because this is way louder than this.
Your name's not down, you're not coming in.
This just gets stupidly loud.